Welcome friends, today we are going to learn about PL/SQL. Though SQL is the natural language of DBA, it suffers from the various inherent disadvantages like it does not have any procedural capabilities, SQL statements are passed to the Oracle engine one at a time. While processing an SQL sentence, if an error occurs, the Oracle engine displays its own error message. It is not fully structured programming language. The Oracle provides fully structured programming language like PL/SQL, that is programming language with SQL. PL/SQL is a superset of SQL. PL/SQL is a block structured language that enables developers to combine the power of SQL with procedural statements. PL/SQL bridges the gap between database technology and procedural programming language. Here are some advantages of PL/SQL are given. PL/SQL is a development tool that not only supports SQL data manipulation but also provides facilities of conditional checking, branching and looping. PL/SQL sends an entire block of statement to the Oracle engine at one time. The communication between the program block and the Oracle engine reduces. This in turn reduces network traffic. PL/SQL also permits dealing with errors as required and facilitates displaying user-friendly messages. PL/SQL allows declaration and use of variables in block of code. These variables can be used to store intermediate results of a query for later processing or calculate values and insert them into an Oracle table later. Via PL/SQL, all sorts of calculations can be done quickly and efficiently without the use of the Oracle engine. The generic PL/SQL block. PL/SQL permits the creation of structured logical blocks of code that describes processes which have to be applied to data. The minimum sections of a PL/SQL block are: first, the declare section, and second, the master begin and end section that contains the exception section. Here the PL/SQL block structure is given. Declare, that contains the declaration of memory variables, constants, cursors, etc. in PL/SQL. Begin, SQL executable statements, PL/SQL executable statements. Exception, SQL or PL/SQL code to handle errors that may arise during the execution of the code block. And last part is end. It is the complete structure of the PL/SQL. To displaying the user message on the screen in PL/SQL, we should use DBMS output and put line. DBMS output is a package that includes a number of procedures and functions that accumulate information in a buffer so that it can be retrieved later. These functions can also be used to display messages to the user. Put line, it will put a piece of information in the package buffer followed by an end of line marker. It can also be used to display message to the user. Put line expects a single parameter of character data type. If used to display a message, it is the message string. To display messages to the user, the server output should be set to on. Server output is a SQL plus environment parameter that displays the information passed as a parameter to the put line function. We have to write set server output on or off. If we write set server output on, then the message will be displayed in PL/SQL. Next of the part is covered in next tutorial. Thank you.